this is Dacia from Linbay Machinery. Linbay Machinery is a manufacturer of roll forming machines. We have a factory in China and an office in Mexico. Today I would like to introduce to you this 3-wave Guardrail roll forming machine. This roll forming production line consists of a hydraulic decoiler, a leveler, a hydraulic punch station, a roll forming machine, a hydraulic cutting system, and an automatic stacker. The speed of the whole production line can reach 6 meters per minute, and this roll forming machine can produce guardrails of 2.7 millimeters to 4 millimeters. If you are interested in this machine, please keep watching. At the beginning of the Guardrail roll forming machine production line, we have a hydraulic decoiler. This is a very powerful hydraulic decoiler that can ensure a stable feeding material of the whole production line. In this case, we use the steel material very thick, so we have to apply a press arm in the decoiler. This press arm is used to hold the steel coil from popping out suddenly. And because this is an automatic decoiler, so we also have this little electrical cabinet that with these buttons we can operate this hydraulic decoiler very easily. Here we can see a hydraulic station that supplies the power to the whole device. If in the customer's factory you don't have the guardrail, we also recommend to use a loading car with a hydraulic decoiler. With the loading car, it's very convenient and efficient to load the steel coils into the hydraulic decoiler. All this process is very smoothly and stable. After the decoiler, there is a leveler. In this machine, we use a leveling machine to level the steel coils because in this case, the whole production line is designed to produce a thickness of 4 millimeters guardrails. To produce very thick profile, we need to apply the leveling process. But normally, the guardrails, the thickness is 2.7 millimeters. So this machine can produce profiles from 2.7 millimeters to 4 millimeters. And after the leveling machine, the steel coils will become more flatter, which is for the after punching and the roll forming process. We use these leveler rollers, 6 rollers on the top and 5 rollers on the bottom. It's very efficient and powerful device. Next to the leveling machine, we have the hydraulic punch station. This is a very big hydraulic punch station because in the profiles we have to punch many punch holes, and because the profile is very thick, so the punch station is very big. Because this is a separate hydraulic punch station, which means the punch station is not equipped with a roll forming machine, so the speed is correspondingly a little faster. The whole production line can reach 6 meters per minute. If we use a hydraulic punch station that is equipped with a roll forming machine, it will be slower. All these hydraulic molds are very hard to punch these thick profiles. In this part, we have a separate control cabinet to operate all the punching process. The specific operations you can find in the menu that we provide to our client. In the hydraulic group, we have a fan cooling system to help the hydraulic group in a stable situation and to prolong the work time. Next to the hydraulic punch station, we have the roll forming machine. This roll forming machine with a structure of cast iron support and transmitted power by gearboxes. It is a very powerful and efficient configuration. Totally, we have 19 roll forming stations in this machine. All the rollers are chrome-plated to prevent corrosion, and all the components we use are very hard and are from famous brand. The whole roll forming machine production line, we use encoders to measure the length of profile. We can see the numbers in the control cabinet, and we can input different lengths that the machine will cut correspondingly. The whole production line is automatic. It's very efficient and can save labor cost. After the roll forming process, we use a hydraulic cutting system to cut these profiles. Typically, the length of these profiles are 4 meters, and because they are very thick, so they are very heavy too. We don't use the manual or tables. We use the automatic suction cups stacker. It is also 4 meters, so the operators don't need to move these heavy profiles manually, and this automatic process will make the whole production line more efficient. We can see the suction cup stacker. After the cutting process is complete, the operator can use a forklift to transport the profile on this station, and the profiles will collected on this station until they are reached to a set number. They will transport to another part of the factory. Use this suction cup automatic stacker is very convenient and necessary because in this case, these profiles are very heavy to these operators. That's all about this production line. Linbay Machinery provides the best quality of machines, and we also provide smoothly after-sales service to our client. We have an after-sales service center in Mexico. After we ship the machines, we will provide the installation video, the instruction manual to our client. We also have an after-sales group that the client can leave messages to ours, and we will reply these messages and questions as soon as possible. If you are interested in this 3-wave Guardrail roll forming machine production line, please contact us by the information in the top right corner. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.